Alright, so under question now, 2b 2024, this is a set question 2024. I'll make it very simple for you to understand. Okay, so I just had to retype the question, so I'll remove this. It's question 2b, paper 2, mathematics. Okay, so on a particular day at school, with 50 grade 12 learners, so take note of that, the total number of students were 50. Okay, so we are told 3 of them collected biology textbooks, 24 of them collected math, 23 history textbooks from the school library, and then 13 learners collected both biology and mathematics, 16 collected both mathematics and history, 15 collected biology and history, 10 collected all the three types of textbooks. So this is where now this is a case where you've got three things here. So I can see we've got biology, I can see we've got math, I can see we have history as well. So these kind of questions are very simple, and it's easy for you to actually handle them. So let's try to summarize the piece of information we have before we start answering the question. So let's start. We'll start from the top. Don't forget our total is 50. So the next thing we are told, 33 of them got biology, 24 of them got math, and then 23 history. Already if you add these numbers, they are already going to exceed 50, so there's something that we need to do to them. Okay, now let's now try to go to the intersection part. So we are told 13 of them collected both biology and mathematics. Both biology and mathematics. How many were they? 13. 16 of them collected both math and history. Okay, and then I'm sure you can still see that we haven't found an intersection between biology and history, right? So, and then 15 of them collected both biology and history. So 15, biology and history. And then finally we are told 10 of them collected all the three types of textbook. 3. So 10 of them. In fact, that one, let me just put it to say 10 or 3. Okay, so now let's try to draw a Venn diagram. Let me just try to draw a piece a nice one. Okay, so let me get my compass. Okay, so use our compass to draw something. Okay, and then I can now draw another one from just here. Then I can move it. Right here. You can draw like that. Okay, something interesting, right? And then you can move it there. Okay, sorry for wasting time drawing that. Okay, so if we've drawn yours, we can just write down what we have. So biology, and then mathematics, and then history. Okay, so always to make it interesting, you start from, of course we can indicate this a universal set, so you can use either U or a capital E in the corner there. That's our Venn diagram. So whenever you're dealing with numbers, you don't put dots, you just write the number, You only use dots if you are trying to say no members of set what were 1 2, that's when you put dots, but where you're just talking about numbers, you don't put dots. So let's just do that. We'll start with the all first of all. 10 of them collected all the 3 types of textbooks, so we'll start with that, and that's going to be 10. Now as you move to the other intersections, we have to be subtracting now. Okay, so let's focus now. So we'll start with this 13. 13 is for both biology and mathematics, so we have to remove the 10. That's okay, because the 10 that collected all the 3 are part of the 13 that collected the 3 different types of textbooks, so we have to subtract. Okay, so we'll remain with a 3 for biology and math, and then we'll go to the 16, which is for mathematics and history. This is math, this is history, so we equally remove the 10, we'll remain with a 6 there. And then what's remaining for the intersection? We're remaining with biology and history, this part. So biology and history is a 15, so also remove the 10, so remain with a 5. Okay, so we are done with the intersections. We're now moving to the individual textbooks. So we can start with biology. Biology has got 3. We don't just write the 3 there, we have to remove everything that is within biology. So biology is all this part is biology. Okay, so let's try to add what is already indicated in biology. Okay, so we have 3 plus 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 3, that's 18. So subtract now 3 minus our 18. Okay, so what is 3 minus 18? So that is a 15. So that's what I'm going to write there. Feel free to pause the video and try out the remaining spaces for math and history. So for math, where is our math? Our math is this one. So we can add what is there. You can see we have 3 plus 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 plus 3, that's 19. We have to remove from 24. 24 minus 19 is what? That's a 5. Okay, and then for history is 5, 10 and 6. So 5 plus 10 is 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 from 23, remain with a 2. So now the way we are done, if you're trying to focus maybe on the box of history, if you add all the 4 numbers there, they are going to add up to the total of 3, and that applies to all the others as well. Okay, so we are done, but then we have to sum up everything that we've indicated inside. We see if it's matching up to the total of 50 that is required. So I'll start. If I focus on biology, we have 15 plus 3 plus 10 plus 5. So I've already marked these 4, and then we are remaining with 5, 6 and 2 to be added to the numbers. Okay, so we can add 5, 6 and 2. So let's try to see the total. So 15 plus 3 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 again plus 6 plus 2. So the total I'm getting is 46. So not adding up to 50. What does that imply? So out of the 50, you move 46, you remain with 4. So 4 will be outside the 3 sets, indicating that 4 of them did not collect anything. So we've handled the 2 marks. Now we can handle these other marks. None of So how many learners collected? The first one, none of the textbooks. What do you think is the answer? 4. One type of textbook only. So these ones that are not part of the intersections, the 15, the 5, and the 2 represent one textbook only. So 15 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 2, 22. And then two types of textbook, only two types. So pick the biology and math, pick the biology and history, pick the math and history. So 5 plus 6 plus 3. This is 14, right? 14. So with this is how we can answer the question on sets. Simple and straightforward, right?